But would you prefer doing bold roles now, basically, or would you like
What
not?
kind of bold?
It could be something where you have to kind of wear a certain outfit, probably, or probably just be in that a certain look.
It's not about the outfit. It's about what character are you playing. It's a if in a random story you have to wear an outfit and stand like a fool, I'll never do that. You know what I mean? Out of just for the sake of it. But if there is a role and it's a beautiful script and it's beautifully weaved into it, I'll do it.
Which role of yours was very demanding for you as an actress, which you felt like you literally gave it all for that role?
I mean, I think every role, when you are non-stop working, every role, every day at shoot is demanding. There's not like that one film I gave it all and the rest I fapped. Not like that.
But are you liking the current situation also, where social media exposure is also there, which also gives opportunity for work? But do you feel कि it's over exhausted right now? What are your thoughts on that? You feel like actors are overexposed, कहीं ना कहीं. एक time पे ऐसा होता था कि we used to.
Been in this line when nothing like this existed, and we all were very well known to even small villages in our country knew who we are and knew about our movies, and the reach was as good even then. Now, of course, it's more convenient. In fact, you're getting over bombarded with knowledge. Certain times there are certain things you don't wish to even know about, but वो सामने आ जाता है. So I think there is a thin line. So I think it's important to have that boundary with social media time, and how much you let it, how much you indulge in it.
Are you like kind of, while we have seen you being active, and I really love your Instagram reels, I must say that. Some of them are very funny and cool also.
I have these wonderful minds behind me who are good with all this. If you ask me personally, I'm a very private person. If I had my way, I would not be on social media. But being in this industry, it's part of it. So I am on it, and I enjoy it. It's nice.